just arrived in Washington, found this awesome campsite with an amazing view. The first night that I arrived here, there was so much cloud cover over the mountains that I didn't actually know what I was looking at. And all of a sudden, the next day, I wake up and the clouds are gone, and I have this view. Established a little campsite here just at the end of this gravel road. It's in this little valley. We're about to kick off summer in the Pacific Northwest. But yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy the time. My Starlink's working because it's a huge open field. I was having some trouble with some of the other campsites that I had been at in the past couple weeks because there's just too many trees around. So somehow, I guess someone stole my Trasharoo on the back of my spare tire. That is the big bag that I can keep my trash outside of the vehicle so it doesn't stink it up. And it's just really nice to have that as extra storage. Someone stole it from me when I was at the grocery store the other day. So that was a huge bummer. Those things are like 50 bucks or so. And so, I can't get things delivered easily because I live out in the woods. And, they also just don't sell that at sporting goods stores. It's kind of a niche product. So I thought about a backpack, and then I thought about Goodwill. So I'm doing a Goodwill Trasharoo. We're gonna see if this will work and I can strap it to the spare tire. But yeah, so this is like a cool Washington backpack. It's Nike brand. I picked this because it has this bottom that looks a little bit more sturdy. This thing's just gonna be outside, and it was only 15 bucks. So it's like pretty cheap. So we'll see how it goes. It has a heavy duty zipper, and the donator already gave me some donated trash into this thing. So it's already off to a good start. So I just made my dinner and ate. However, I'm concerned because there's a ton of hornets that are swarming around my trash bag. So I took it out and I put it across the street from here. And they were all kind of swarming around my car. However, looks like oh no, there's still two swimming around the trash bag. Oh, and me right now. Oops. So I'm thinking about moving my car because maybe I parked next to a hornet's nest. Maybe not. Can't really tell. So yeah, definitely not stoked on hanging out with hornets though. It's the holiday, and taking some time to walk on this 6-mile trail. It's called the Lower Lena Lake Trail. So I'm out on the eastern side of the Olympic Peninsula where I was camping the other night. And yeah, just doing this long hike. It's about 1,500 feet of elevation gain, which is a lot. So I just finished all the switchbacks. There's a little bit more elevation gain, probably 400 feet, and then I'll get to the lake in a couple miles. So just like a fun little hike. Not little. To the lake. I just took a dip with my swim trunks. This is like a little free shower in a way, free bath. And yeah, the water is just beautiful. Similar to the other lakes that I was checking out. This one's a little bit more blue. It's a little larger, I think. All right, we're hanging out in Olympic National Forest. I have my friends rejoining me for a week, Tomas and Ray. So we hung out a ton in Colorado last season, had the best time ever. They're like one of my highest friends I have. And so I'm super stoked to be hanging out with them again. We're gonna hang out for like at least part of the week. We had some sick oysters down at Hamahama Oyster Farm earlier. We're up at this beautiful campsite that's overlooking Victoria, Canada. All right, so we're out here in Lake Crescent, treading this beautiful blue water. The water's pretty cold, but it's kind of nice because today was like 85 degrees.
So yeah, my arms are burning.
Yeah, our arms are burning.
Our triceps specifically are just burning for some reason.
It's the ice burn.
It feels great though.
Yeah, we're gonna try to dry off soon. All right, so we're out here walking this trail to the Solduck Falls. It's a beautiful morning. I think we're in a heat wave, so it's been like super hot the past couple days. It's gonna be like 85 today or something like that. All right, we made it to the Hoh Rainforest. We're on the river trail right now. It's like 6 o'clock. We got right in. Not the massive amount of tourists in the midday, and the temperature's cooled off too, which is super nice.
I was baking earlier.
So we're gonna do a couple miles on this, and then we're gonna get back to our campsite that's nearby and hang out, make some dinner, and probably gonna be Whew. It is hot out here today. We're still at this campsite at Hoh. Been working all day, staying underneath the awning, but it's like 87 degrees. I've never camped in something this hot. So I have this little USB fan that I've never gotten a chance to use, and it's helping me out with a little bit of breeze. But yeah, we're baking in the sun, so it's just can't wait till we can move on to the next campsite towards the beach, and it'll be a little bit cooler out, I hope.
Oh my god, you put a risky game, dude.
What?
So we're checking out Ruby Beach. It's just this black sand pebble beach out here. Sunset almost, pretty cool. It's like 8 p.m. It's just crazy how the sun sets at like 9:30 p.m. up here. We're just so high in latitude that, you know, during the summertime, we just get so much daylight out here. So we're hanging out, sitting down on the beach, watching the sunset. We are alone, which is really nice. We found this sand dollar.
The textured side.
It's like a cat's tongue. I'm just walking on the beach this morning and I saw an eagle standing right over by the waves and just took off and is flying around. So that was kind of a cool sight to see out here. We're hanging out today on the side of the road. However, the view is amazing. So it's kind of nice just to be here watching the waves come in at the ocean and just kind of enjoy the sea breeze. We're out at one of the beaches here in the national park, and there's apparently some real fun bouldering out here. Tomas found it online. So we're checking out some of the boulders, hanging out. It's like super moody, super foggy. Tomas just sent a problem. So yeah, we're having a good time out here, just messing around on the boulders.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Hell yeah, dude. Yeah. Ride that thing. What would you
Hell
say that
yeah.
is, like V1?
Yeah. I temporarily said goodbye to Tomas and Ray. We're gonna meet back up this weekend, go on a pretty cool hike, but I'm back up here in the mountains. So I was exploring some mountains in the southern part of the peninsula and found this campsite right next to this weather station. So I'm kind of right at the top of this mountain. Sun is setting, flowers are lit up. It's very beautiful here. So pretty nice spot. I'm gonna be here for a couple days and then link back up with Tomas and Ray.